Welcome to the University of Pavia. I am Alma, and today I am going to be your guide to settling in Pavia. From the tax code to residence permit to the emergency services, I'll cover them all. Your Italian tax code, or codice fiscale, is the key to accessing many services in Italy. In simple words, it serves like an identification number. And here is how to get it. Enrolled students can obtain their tax code at the Italian embassy in their country during the visa application process, or by writing an email to the Agenzia della Entrata office, while the exchange students will receive their tax code via email from the International Mobility Office. Next up, we have the health insurance. All international students must cover the whole length of their studies in Italy with a health insurance. EU students can use the European Health Insurance Card for necessary care, while the non-EU students have three options: registering with the Italian National Health Service, post office health insurance, purchasing a private health insurance plan. Moving on. All non-EU students must apply for a residence permit within 8 days of their arrival in Italy. You must prepare these documents for the application. Please bring copies of the original documents with you. And to assist you, we have a help desk at the police station. The staff will help you fill in the application. Once filled, you must deliver the file at the post office and pay a fee of around €146. As easy as it gets. At Università your Ateneo card is your bank account. Students will receive an email once the card is ready to be picked up, without any appointment. You can activate it without any costs as rechargeable, prepaid debit card. It can be used by the university to credit scholarships, refunds, and sums due for student collaborations. If you're an exchange student and wish to open a bank account, please contact Erasmus office for further assistance. Your safety and well-being are our top priorities. Here's important information about emergency services and medical assistance in Pavia. You can dial the common emergency number, 112, free of charge, in order to reach ambulance, police, and fire brigade. In extreme emergencies, head to the emergency room at San Matteo Hospital that is open round the clock. During off hours, when your appointed doctor is not available and the situation is not an emergency, you can call Guardia Medica at 116117. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to watch the other Welcome series videos. Good luck!